So after the previous episode, welcome back. This one is about going to collect the car at the garage, the MC Automotive, and the works that were needed to prepare the car for the two-ball rally Romania route.
That's the worst one.
Yeah, look at that.
That one.
Those pads here look like it's falling apart.
You know, you wouldn't get far on that.
No, not at all.
All right.
There's the locking wheel nuts. They're off.
Yeah, they're
great.
off.
Good
Yeah.
riddance to them.
All right. That's that.
More pads, totally worn out.
Yeah, it's the other two. They're really low. That's your anti-roll, I think.
Yeah. And what are these called?
That is your upper control arm. Rear one. Rear. Upper control arm.
Completely shot.
Yeah.
That just pops out, does it?
Yeah. These two are gone, look.
Yeah, really crispy. Yeah, completely gone.
All right.
That's why it was wobbling all over the road.
Yeah.
That was just, yeah, you can see how shiny that is.
Exactly.
It's been moving around in there.
You know, it's been knocking. Look.
Yeah. Clunk, clunk, clunk all the way.
All right.
Yeah, brilliant. So the only two error codes on here is the left turn signal on the lamp, which is a broken wire, and then the coolant. But the coolant's been checked at the garage and the levels are fine, nothing wrong with it. So it must be a faulty sensor. And that mirror indicator, that's going to just be soldering a wire back together. So hopefully that'll be fine. I'll have a look at that at the weekend. So the work done was the two rear arms and the rear pads, and also the anti-roll bar link, which is at the front. So all that was done at a cost of £557.95, including VAT. We have some advisories though. So the advisories are the rear pads, the rear brake pipes corroded. He says watch out for that for the next MOT, but that's not due till October and the rally finishes in September, so we should be fine then. He was going to clean them up, but thought it would just make them worse, so just left them as they are. The front brake pipes are also corroding. Near side indicator repeater inoperable. Well, we know about that because we've got the error code on the dash for that. So that's just a wire, because I had it working before. I got all those LEDs working in the mirror. The exhaust brackets are welded. Well, the exhaust has been patched up and mended so many times, but you know, even if that drops off, the car's still going to work and it will drag itself to Romania. The offside rear tyre is illegal, so I'm going to pop into Chippenham and get myself a part worn fitted for that, hopefully, and then we'll be fine. He's checked the spare wheel. That's a 16-inch and all the others are 18-inch, and we were a bit concerned that maybe the 16-inch wheel might not fit over the brakes, but it does fit, which is great news. So we have a spare now. Also the locking wheel nuts have been removed from the rear, and we've got normal wheel nuts on the back, so we can actually change the tyres if we need to. All the suspension components are showing their age. Slight play in the in the steering arms, slight play in the offside wheel bearing, near side air suspension shroud poor, rear shocker shrouds poor, underside thin and corroded in places, offside mirror glass. Well, what the problem with that is, it's totally tinted. But what I'm going to do is I'll get another one. I've seen them on eBay for about £6.50. So I'll get a proper mirror for that so we can actually see out. That'd be quite useful. Coolant light on, but level okay. Unable to road test due to tyre, but I've just taken it for a road test up to the garage and stuck in 15 quid's worth of fuel. And it feels so much better to drive than it did before. And then please allow 200 miles for a bedding in period on the brake pads. So all in all, a pretty good bill of health, and well worth the £560 that we spent on it, I'm sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow us on our trip to Romania on the two-ball rally.